So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add sound effects to a video here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up, if I were to play this video, there's obviously no sound. If you wanted to add some sound effects, it's pretty straightforward. Go to this bar right here, press on audio, then go to where it says effects and press on that. Then once you guys are here, you can go ahead and press on some effects. So if you wanted to get maybe a bell effect right here, we can press on bell number 1. That's the sound. We'll go ahead and press on use right there. So if we were to go ahead and play the video right here, I've now added some sound effects to my videos. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can add sound effects to a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.